What's up, paisanis? How you doing today? So, the follow-up video, gas station find. Okay, so Lady Gaga has Oreo cookies out. Watch out. Oh, so let's see. They are pink colored cookies with green cream. This should be interesting. All right, so let's see. Oh, this is interesting. I gotta say that. Oh my God. Okay. All right, so we're gonna put this back up there. You're not gonna believe this. Are you ready for this? Really? This is it, baby. It's a pink cookie with green cream. Awesome. Lady Gaga style. Right there. Okay. Smells like an Oreo. Alright, so before I bite into it, I'll open it up. I want to taste both flavors first. Just the cookie. Uh-oh. It even looks like Lady Gaga. I think she's on there. I don't know what the hell she's doing, but oh my God. I think that's her playing basketball or something. All right. Weird flavor Oreo shell. Let's see what this green stuff tastes like. I mean, it's got a greenish flavoring. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna do this. One cookie is enough. Lady Gaga's new Oreo cookies. It definitely wasn't gross. Absolutely not. It was interesting. When I first saw it there, I said, okay, I have to have it and make a great video. But I wasn't sure if I should open it or put it in a time capsule. I mean, Lady Gaga. And then pink cookies with green filling. What holiday would that go on? I don't know. Ooh. I don't know. Maybe Easter? I don't know. Not Christmas. Maybe Halloween. Have you seen her? Come on now. I have no idea what to say about that. Oh, one's making a run for it. So that's it, baby, right there. Lady Gaga's cookies, Oreos. I don't know where the hell that one went. Anyways, I mean, it's good. It's just different. That's all I can say. It's different. Plus, with her face on it and stuff, that's kind of cool. You know, she's in there someplace doing something. Like I said, I don't want another one. I'm kind of speechless. The Italian guy is speechless. Smells like just a messed up flavor. I don't know. I smell more of the pink cookie, and I can't even put my schnoz to a test and say what the hell that smell is. But it's a pink cookie with green filling, and I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, it's going to be an acquired taste. The kids, if you love Lady Gaga, well, your kids love them, be prepared. They'll probably love this crap. Not crap, but it's cookies. Anyways, I think it's going to be an acquired taste. Like I said, it wasn't bad. It wasn't awesome. It was just pink cookies with green frosting. And I don't know. I tell you the truth, if I did not open them, some lucky, unfortunate kid would get this for Halloween. I'd pop that little bag right in his bag and just put like you do a hand cover and go, yeah, kid, don't worry, you'll love it. Throw it in his bag. I'm telling you. Anyways, Lady Gaga, if you're watching this, touche, kudos for you. Your cookie is different. I'll say that. Taste-wise, have you tasted these? I'm assuming you have. I don't know. But I'm going to pass on the Lady Gaga cookies. It's more of a kick. You know, it's more of a hoot saying, hey, Lady Gaga's got, I don't know, she has cookies now. Cool. Anyways, guys, it's just a weird flavored Oreo. That's what they look like. Inside, outside, everything. I'm glad I didn't get the big bag. Small bag was good enough. All right, guys. Manja. Eat up some Lady Gaga. Keep chewing, baby. Thanks for watching the Italian Guys Food Tour. And, man, those cookies are slippery. Anyways, thanks again. Please subscribe, click, like, comment, whatever you want to do. Thanks again, guys. Have a good day.